Hello, Namaste. Welcome to our channel Love Art, where travel is an art. If you have been watching our videos, you must know what we are here for. We are here to share interesting travel stories, travel blogs, as well as travel news from around the world. I am back with another beautiful destination known as the Valley of Flowers and located at a height of 3,500 meters in Sikkim. Yumthang Valley is one of the most picturesque spots. Yumthang cultivates innumerable botanical species all over its great green rug. It houses the lovely Shingba Rhododendron Sanctuary featuring more than 24 distinct types of rhododendrons. Vacationers trip over to this nature's wonderland for the shrubby slants of the snow-clad mountains, extended lengths of land covered with fancy knolls, and the scented climate leading up to the yak ride is a never-miss ride in Yumthang. Explorer's pathway to the valley prompts a little scaffold, arriving at the Yumthang hot spring. The surprising fact about this hot spring is water moves warm from the remaining parts of this even in the coldest seasons. Summer is the best time to visit Yumthang Valley. It is accepted that the valley provides therapeutic benefit of mending due to its rich sulfur content. However, make sure to book a restricted area permit to plan a trip to Yumthang Valley. That's all, guys. Please catch us on our next video. See you soon. This is Supriti signing off.